In Western Australia, there is one company you can rely on for professional services. That company is Gate Trenching and Communications. We have been providing services to telecommunications organisations, civil works contractors and other industries since 2004. Gate Trenching and Communications clients include Main Roads Western Australia, the Southern Gateway Alliance, Downer, Service Stream, Vision Stream, Silcar, Abbey Group and many more. And we're a preferred contractor for all access and associated services contract works. Gate Trenching and Communications has been involved in the project management and completion of work. We specialise in horizontal drilling, trenching, hauling, ploughing, splicing, testing and commissioning. We have the capabilities and experience to manage projects from design to construction to handover. And our quality, safety and environmental standards ensure that we provide services that meet and exceed the expectations of our clients. If you're looking for a professional service, call Gate Trenching and Communications. Quality you can trust.